Welcome back, Kimberly here, Oregon Rainforest Adventures. We are doing a series in Lynn County, Oregon. Today we are in East Albany, checking out Monteith River Park. I'm going to take you guys on a tour, show you around, show you some of the attractions nearby. So when you're in the area, you can see if this is a place you want to visit. Located in the heart of the historic district, Monteith Park sits just catty-corner from the famous Albany Carousel Museum. A community project 17 years in the making, all of the animals on the carousel are hand-carved. However, they are closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, and I visited on a Monday. I was able to get a sneak peek through the window. This park has just about everything, including a playground, a water park, a stage where they hold concerts in the summer for free, and lots of paths to walk up and down the river to enjoy the beautiful sights. People fish here, swim here, kayak here, and just stroll around. There's also bicycle paths.